guys, today we are going to learn something amazing, interesting, incredible. We are gonna let each and every single AI to train using our own contents. Isn't it so incredible? Let's get into it. So, as a first step, we have to click on the settings, or if you are using Android or iOS devices, then you have to go to the Creator Studio, and there you will find this settings icon. You have to click here first. Ooh, you are 50% done already. Okay, so now click on this channel option. We don't need any of those, we only need this guy. And here you can see there are three features here. Among them, you will have to choose this guy, advanced settings. Now scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and voila, here we are. Now your thing will be like this. You will have to choose this, and then either you can select your favorite companies, or you can go there and choose all third-party companies. If you do this, then each and every single AIs in this world can train using your content. And finally, you have to press the save option. I already did it, so it's enabled for my account, but you have to press the save option. Once you are done, once you press the save option, then voila! Congratulations! Now all AIs are training using your content. Don't forget to press the subscribe button if this video is useful to you, and press the like button, and of course comment and let me know what do you think. Also, if you have any question, don't forget to ask me that in comment section. It's a wrap. Goodbye, guys.